I want to show you how to use table controller, table view, and how to pass data from table view to UIViewController. So here, as you can see, I want to show you this demonstration at first full. Now you can see here, this is the name of the article. As you can see here, the name, this is the article that I clicked, and here this is the name, and here this is the article, as you can see full. So here there is the other article, this is the name of the order of this article. So as you can see, and everything continues. So we have different article here, as you can see full, and out here. Okay, now that we know this, now we will make this, and we will add to a tab bar to our 18. Even we will not work in the tab bar now, in every icon from the tab bar. For example here, full, they doesn't have anything. I really want to show this, how to pass data from table view to view controller. Okay, now everything is there. Now, okay, we will open Xcode. Okay, we will leave the simulator here. Okay, so let's create a new Xcode project. Okay, click it. Okay, single. We have to choose single new app. Yeah, and then we give a name. For example, I will give the name. Okay, my table view. So this is the name of my project. Okay, now we will save the scene. So let's create, and now in here in device we have to choose iPhone. Okay, now we go to main storyboard to design the structure from our application. Okay, you have to wait. Okay, we'll make we will close this. Here we saw our view controller. That's come from default. Our view controller. Okay, now we have to, what we have to do now, we have to go here, or we have to go here, and then we're searching for a table view. We drop on table view here. Okay, we go in pimp null 0, actually on 0, sorry, 0 0 0, and we unshake constraints to margin. Okay, now this is our view controller, table view, and now here in prototype cells we will add 1. Okay, that is okay. So, and now we click here, and what we make it, we will give a name to our identify name. We will call it cell. Okay, super. Okay, now we will make the size from our table, from our cell, 100 50. No, das ist so viel. Das ist so much. 135. Okay, now we have our table view. Okay, now that we have this, now that we have our table view, okay, and now we will add an image. Oh, sorry, image full. email will drop and down inside our cell. Okay, we give a yeah, it's close, so I think so it's perfect. Okay, now we will add a label. Label, that's to give it the name of the product that we will add in our project, in our app. Okay, we make a size a little bit longer. Okay, and now that we have this, what we have to do, we go to tab this on the table view. Okay, everything is perfect. Now we will connect our table view in UIViewController Swift. Okay, we will connect. No, at first we have to connect data source on delegate. Data source on delegate. And now we make the same. We connect our table view. We name table vet. Okay, now that we have this, what we have to do now, I will declare let image okay, so now here we have to add UITableview data source. Let me close this. So UITableview data source, UITableview data source, and UITableview delegate. Okay, now that we have this, we have to start to configure on number of cell in section. Okay, now we have this, and here we have to return img point count. Okay, we add this because we must to count how many pictures we have here. This is the picture. We count how many pictures we have here, and then this we can do with this will create. If you have, for example, 10 pictures here, count we respond on this, and then we say, okay, there is 10 pictures, we have to make 10 cells, and then they make it 10 cells. And now here we cell for row at. Okay, now here, let me close this. Now here we have to make a let cell equal table view punto declare here we give the name that we are to our cell, to our here the identifier name in the past. So okay, now that we have this, they ask me for missing return in a function expected to return UITableview cell. Okay, now what we have to do here, we have to do now, we will make a new file, a new class. We make a new class to connect our label and our image. Okay, now that we have this, let's go to make a new class. Open this. We make a new class here for new file. Cocoa Touch class. Okay, Cocoa Touch class. On here, we must add UITableview cell. UITableview cells. Okay. my table view cell. Okay, we created. Okay, now that we have our class created, now we go to main storyboard, open, and then we have to looking for my table view. And first we have to connect the cell with our class. Okay, now we can connect our UITableview, our picture, our image in this class. Okay, my em. Okay, so now we have to connect our label. This is the name from our item, my label. Okay, now that we have this, okay, now we can go to view controller. Okay, now that we have this, okay, here as we have to pass this as my, here is. Okay, now we can connect. Now that we connected our view controller with the new class that we created, my table view cells, now we can pass this information. For example, we can pass the information here. We can add the information in view controller, the information that they are in my view table, in my table view cell. For example, it's in label un image. Okay, now we will say cells point my image. Full here, as you can see, point image equal UI image. So, and now we will give the name. We put, okay, name string. The string that we have to add here is our image. That's that we declare here. So eme. Okay, and now, okay, now we add index packs row we give it the extension of our image. Version extension had our image JPG or the PNG. Okay, our image, the image that we will add is PNG. Okay, make blocks point PNG. Okay, so now we have to add point my label point text equal to emg in the bus point row. Okay, here, okay, it's on that. And now we have to return cells, return cell, it's on create. Now the only thing we have to add here is the image. Okay, now we will add our image. We will go to access and we will drop the image that we have here. Command to okay, and pink. And now we have to drop or better we will add here, better we will add here in group. Okay, that is our image. Okay, now we can go to storyboard to our code, and here we will start to add our image. Okay, the first image is called black and white .png. Okay, the second image we have to add is blue with white .png. Okay, the third we have to add is deep dark blue .png. Okay, the further. Okay, deep pink with white. Okay, we make a gold with white. Gold with white. Gold eins 1 with white. Here I forgot to write png .png. Here too .png, and here too .png. Okay, wir müssen so weiter. Sorry, we have to continue like this. Green gray .png. Okay, green .png. Line green with white .png. Purple sneaker .png. Knock duck purple with white .png. Okay, okay, we add everything. So red with white .png. Sneaker red .png. Wallet for man .png. wash for main png white and black png and just on the black and white. I saw the S was black and white in the first. White sneaking png. Sorry, this video will be so long. Okay, white. I only wanted to show every stage. So it's inside a project. Now we will see how a project look like or it works. Okay, now let's run our project. You can run from here, or you can click on Command R. And now our project we'll see. So our project looks as we want. Okay. Here say no team registered with ID equal null. Okay. Now. Okay, now. No. The only thing is here we have to add a navigator controller. Navigation controller. Okay, and we have to configure our image. So okay, that is okay. So now we only have to give the size from the view here from the cell, from our cell, 135. Okay, now we go here, and here we add high from cell. Okay, we return 135. Okay, now we run our project again. We will see if to look at as we want. Oh, super perfect. It looks as we wanted. Perfect. Okay, looks so perfect. But we can't make anything. Everything is there. About here first, wash main. Why? I guess I wrote something false here. We will see now. Wash main is okay. Now we go back again. We will see wash main, wash for main. I saw here. No, this is okay. Watch for main. So watch for main, it is inclined, and I put a gross. Okay, now we will see. Now we will see. The wash must be here yet. Here is the wash. Wash for main. Here is alles unsere things that we add. Okay, now I want to add here. Here I want to add the tab bar. Now we go back. We go to main storyboard. Okay, main storyboard. And now we close T, we go here and editor, we have to add tab-bar controller, to add it in, to our icon, to our application. If you want to, I can add another one, and then we can see it will be 2. We can see it will be 2. Okay, I will add another one. Shift Control to Shift Command L. Okay, now we need a view controller. We have another icon. I want to add 2 icons to how I showing the. Okay, now we have to connect it, our tab-bar with the view controller. Okay, we go here, relationship swig, view controllers, and now come an icon, and now we will add a navigation controller. Okay, now we have on the navigation controller, we can add 2 icons yet. Okay, so here the first icon, we have to open assets, and we will add our icon. For example, here shop, which one I can take it, which one I can take it. Let me see. Yes, in the icon. If you want to, here this is a good platform where you can find every icon you want. You only have to write here the name. You have to download this from the Mac. You go in the App Store, and then you write icons 8 light. Okay, and then you will see this, and then you can download from the App Store. We can, okay, I will add this shopping, and now we add sneaker here. This is sneaker. Want to add this is sneaker. Okay, now go this, we go to our storyboard again. Storyboard. Here we will add the sneaker. We will add the sneaker too. Here we will say sneaker on training. Okay, training, we have shown our thing. But now I will go here, and then I will go shopping, and here we will add our shopping icon. Okay, now we have our 2 icons, and now we will see this will be in blue as the file, and these are when we click it. Gray if it is unclick, and when you click it, it is blue. And we will see this is in white. We will run our application. Here you can see it is in white. As you can see, it is everything in white, but I want to change the color of the tab-bar, and I want to change out the color of the view of the icon. Okay, now we have to go from here in app delegate Swift. Okay, we go here. First we have to close this, and now we go here, function application UI application. Okay, we go here inside, and then we click, we're looking for tab-bar. Okay, point appearance full, and now we write tab-bar bar tint color, and equal point black. This will be the color of here. This will be the color of the tabbar. Okay, now if you want to configure the color of our icon is here. But we go here again, we click tabbar, point, appearance. Okay, now we go in theme color equal to which color we at? Okay, orange. I was saying our orange. Okay, orange, point orange. Okay, now our application is have to look. That's here in black and the icon in orange. Now we will see. Now we will see, as you can see here, black and orange. Orange. And so now we will pass. Now I will configure that's when we click here, this will send you this the type from this and the name of in another view. So to make this, okay, we close this and now we go to our main storyboard and we will add another view controller. Okay, it's on now. Okay, what we can do, okay, now what we can do is, so this way, now we will add here image and view. We will add a view. Okay, view. We add the view here, and then we will make a in the middle. Okay, in the middle. And now we will give a color. Which color we will give? Okay, orange. And now we will add an image. We add an image. We give it the same size like in the view. Okay, it's good. So, and now we will add label. This is to give the name and now I put this here and the label here and we in the middle. Okay, the color is white. Okay, now we have to create another class to connect our new view controller. We go here in file, Cocoa Touch class, and here we have to click in view controller. We have to looking for view controller. Okay, view controller and detail okay, and then create. Okay, now that we have our view controller created, we have to connect our view controller with the new detail, with the new class that we created. Okay, detail view controller, it is on create. I just created, and now we have to connect we have to connect our image and the tail. Okay, we can connect now our image, my image, on label my label. Oh, now we have to we will connect. What is our view? Where is our view? Here's our view. Okay, we connect our view to my view. Okay, now we don't need this. Now we have to okay, we go to our detail. Okay, now that we have our detail in our view, we declare a val image equals UI image. So val ray, that's my name. You can make the name you want, or and then the identify what you are doing. Okay, and now here we delete this from the here, and now here, what we can do, we will make a my image point image equal to image. Okay, and now my label point test equal array. This is called interpolation. Okay, equal interpolation. Okay, now that I was saying it is, we have to copy this. We copy this because now we have to connect this, everything that is here, we have to connect it to our view controller. In our view controller to pass the data from table view to this view controller. Okay, now here we have to select. We have to search for select row. Okay, now here let dt equal table view point okay, I made something. There was something that I mixed here. Okay, now okay, view controller, storyboard. Okay, now that we have this, we go again to our view controller, story, store board point. Okay, here is our information, what we are looking for. And now here we make the information, the name of the storyboard that we give. And now here as the same, the name of the class that we created. Okay, And now dt point image equal UI image in the pass point row. Image in the past row and optional. Okay, we missed another one here. So now point ray, so point ray equal em in the past point row here. Mix something. I mix something here. Let me see what is this in that I mix. What I mix. We will see. What I mix. Okay, here is the save. Okay. Normally everything is okay. Let me see. From here. What is the thing that I give here? No, array, images, label.test, images, image, array. Normally everything is okay here. What is the thing that I prefer? Okay. Let me see, what is the thing? Image, okay. Name. Okay, name. Okay. So we want image. Okay. So this first here. Oh, this is okay. So in here, okay, everything is okay. Now we have to sell point navigation to navigate to our other store navi. Point navigation controller pa. Okay, point. Push. Normally on here we'll give the date, the information bold igual a true. Okay, now our project is shown. Now everything is done. Okay, now we will run this. We will see if when we click the picture will be shown in the table view in the view controller. Okay, now we see everything. Everything is okay. So now we will click. Okay, super blue with white. And now I want to make the corner rows here in the view. Okay. As you can see, we click here. Okay. And now I will go to my detail and here view my view punto layer corner rows equal 25. Okay, now we will see how low. Okay, now as you can see, now we will see how look our view. Okay, click here. Okay, our view it is in hat 25 of corner radius. Okay, we go here. Okay, blue with white. Okay, the only thing I want to do is I want to change. Yeah, it's okay. It is everything done as I show you in the presentation. So thank you. If you like this video, if you like this tutorial, you want that I make it more like this, feel like my English is not so good, maybe my English is not so good, sometimes I say some words in German and that's make me confused. And then yeah, so we will see. I hope you like this video, and if you like or no, you can click it or how subscribe in my channel. You will not pay everything is cost alone, everything free. So yeah, thank you. If you want to know more about TableView, only leave me a comment leave me a comment down in this video, and I will answer you as soon as possible. Tell me which video you want to know, which video you want that I make, what you want to learn. The next tutorial I will make how to work with UI collection view. So thank you for, I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watch this video. So see you in the next one.